The 2025 Suzuki Mehran is a continuation of one of Pakistan's most iconic and budget-friendly cars. For decades, the Mehran has been a go-to choice for first-time car buyers, daily commuters, and those looking for a reliable, low-maintenance vehicle. The latest model retains much of its traditional design and simplicity while incorporating minor updates to keep up with modern needs. While some may argue that the Mehran lacks the advanced features found in newer models, its affordability, fuel efficiency, and widespread availability of spare parts continue to make it a favorite among Pakistani drivers. The Mehran is powered by a 796cc FE inline-3 engine, producing 39 horsepower at 5,500 rpm and 59 Nm of torque. This small yet efficient engine is designed for city commuting rather than high-speed performance. The engine is paired with a 4-speed manual transmission, which has remained largely unchanged over the years. While it may not offer the smoothest shifting experience compared to newer transmissions, it does the job for daily driving. The Mehran is known for its excellent fuel economy, averaging around 18 to 22 km per liter, making it one of the most cost-effective vehicles in terms of fuel consumption. This is one of the biggest reasons why it remains a top choice for budget-conscious buyers. The exterior design of the Mehran has stayed relatively the same over the years, and the 2025 model is no different. It features a compact, boxy shape with trapezium-shaped headlights and a simple grille. The plastic bumpers and basic steel wheels keep the cost low while maintaining functionality. While some might criticize its outdated design, its simplicity makes it easy to repair and maintain. The small wheelbase and lightweight body make it highly maneuverable, especially in crowded urban environments. It is an ideal car for navigating narrow streets and tight parking spaces, a major advantage in cities with heavy traffic. The interior of the Mehran remains basic but functional. The dashboard is straightforward, featuring an analog speedometer and a few simple controls. There is no touchscreen infotainment system or digital display, keeping the cabin free from unnecessary distractions. The seats are covered in fabric with minimal padding, making long journeys less comfortable compared to modern vehicles. Manual window controls and a lack of advanced features like power steering or airbags highlight the Mehran's focus on affordability rather than luxury. However, the VXR variant does offer air conditioning, which is a necessary feature for the hot climate of Pakistan. The overall cabin space is decent for a compact car, but taller passengers may find the rear seats a bit cramped. When it comes to driving experience, the Mehran is designed primarily for city use. Its lightweight body and small engine make it easy to drive in stop-and-go traffic. However, due to its stiff suspension, the ride can feel bumpy on rough roads. The lack of power steering means that turning the wheel requires more effort, especially at lower speeds. While this may not be a major issue for experienced drivers, it can be a drawback for those who prefer modern driving conveniences. The braking system consists of front disc brakes and rear drum brakes, which are adequate for city driving but may feel underpowered at higher speeds. Due to its lightweight frame, the Mehran is not particularly stable at high speeds, and drivers are advised to maintain moderate speeds for safety. One of the biggest selling points of the Mehran is its low maintenance cost. Unlike modern cars that require specialized tools and expensive parts, the Mehran can be repaired easily by most local mechanics. Spare parts are widely available and relatively cheap, making repairs affordable for almost every owner. This is a key reason why many people prefer the Mehran over newer models, as they do not have to worry about high maintenance costs. Additionally, the car's simple mechanical design means that there is less that can go wrong, further reducing the chances of costly repairs. In terms of safety, the Mehran does not offer much in the way of modern protective features. It lacks airbags, anti-lock braking systems (ABS), and electronic stability control. This makes it less safe compared to newer models that come equipped with these essential safety technologies. The thin body panels and lack of structural reinforcements mean that in the event of a collision, the Mehran does not provide the same level of protection as modern cars. For those who prioritize safety, this is something to consider before purchasing the vehicle. However, the Mehran does feature seat belts for both front and rear passengers, and responsible driving can help mitigate some of the risks associated with its minimal safety features. One of the key reasons people continue to choose the Mehran is its resale value. Unlike many other cars that depreciate significantly over time, the Mehran holds its value exceptionally well. This is largely due to its widespread popularity, low maintenance costs, and the high demand for used Mehran models in the market. Buyers looking for a second-hand Mehran can find a wide range of options at varying price points, making it accessible to a larger audience. Many people purchase a Mehran as their first car and later sell it at a minimal loss when upgrading to a larger or more modern vehicle. The Mehran faces competition from cars like the United Bravo, Prince Pearl, Daihatsu Core, and even Suzuki's own Alto. While these competitors offer more modern features, such as digital displays, power windows, and automatic transmissions, they also come with higher price tags. The Mehran remains a preferred option for those who want a simple, reliable, and affordable car without the additional costs of newer technology. The Alto, which serves as a spiritual successor to the Mehran, offers more safety features and comfort, but it also costs significantly more. For those on a strict budget, the Mehran continues to be an attractive option. Suzuki's decision to keep the Mehran in production for so long speaks to its continued demand. While many automakers discontinue older models in favor of newer ones, Suzuki has kept the Mehran alive because of its strong market presence. The affordability, ease of maintenance, and practicality make it a unique offering in the Pakistani automotive landscape. Although newer models are making their way into the market, the Mehran remains a symbol of reliability and economic driving. For those looking to buy the 2025 Suzuki Mehran, the price remains one of its biggest advantages. While car prices in general have risen over the years, the Mehran still remains one of the most affordable new cars in Pakistan. The base model provides a no-frills experience, while the VXR variant, which includes air conditioning, offers a slightly more comfortable ride. For people who are looking for a vehicle strictly for commuting and daily errands, the Mehran delivers everything they need without unnecessary extras. Another important factor is fuel efficiency. With rising fuel prices, having a car that delivers great mileage is a huge plus. The Mehran's small engine and lightweight design contribute to its impressive fuel economy. For people who drive frequently within cities, this means lower fuel costs over time. Even on long journeys, the Mehran proves to be an economical choice, provided the roads are smooth enough to compensate for its stiff suspension. For those looking to modify their Mehran, there are plenty of aftermarket parts available. Some owners choose to upgrade their interiors with custom seat covers, install an aftermarket sound system, or even replace the manual windows with power windows. Exterior modifications like alloy rims, fog lights, and custom paint jobs are also popular. Due to the car's simple structure, modifications are relatively easy to perform and can give owners a way to personalize their vehicles. Ultimately, the 2025 Suzuki Mehran is a car that thrives on its simplicity. It is not the most advanced, comfortable, or feature-packed vehicle, but it delivers where it matters most: affordability, reliability, and efficiency. It remains an excellent choice for students, first-time car buyers, and individuals who need a no-nonsense commuter vehicle. While the lack of modern safety features and convenience options may be a drawback for some, the Mehran's ease of maintenance and strong resale value continue to make it a smart investment for those on a tight budget. Whether or not Suzuki will continue to produce the Mehran in the coming years remains to be seen, but for now, it remains an enduring favorite in Pakistan's automotive market.